that.
Whoa!
Just 5 minutes from the city center, and this beauty, nature's beauty. Can you listen? Oh yeah. So we're going to Black Spout. It's a waterfall, so we're going through this part to see the waterfall. It's a small waterfall, but I'd love to see it.
I left the perfect walking stick in the back of the car.
Our car? You took one into our car?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
It isn't like flaky when it's like actually so smooth. Nothing is peeling off of it, so it's not going to mess up your car.
Okay, thank you. I don't want a mess. What? You don't put a lot of weight on it or it break. Bus road, right or left? Huh?
This way.
Okay, good. And she's correct because we're going to Black Spout. Mulling is nice, but that's where we just came from, that hotel. Map reading, Jesse.
Yeah.
Very soon we will relegate Jaina to the background, and Jesse will be our map reader. You guys found the dog. Oh, it's so cute, yeah? Really nice. And it's so friendly. Yeah, Jesse used to be scared of dogs. She doesn't go close to dogs. She loves him. Oh, look at that. That's heaven. Right, we have to go closer. Do you want to see this or not, guys? Oh, now this is a waterfall. Now that is spectacular.
Mom, I want to get
awesome. It's so good. Like they say, you can go closer. Look at that.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's the sound I want to hear. How did that guy...
It's a little bit too bad at you. Oh!
Oh my goodness, this is spectacular. I can't leave Pitlochry. I'm moving to Pitlochry. Look at this, just off the... We just walked less than 5 minutes from the city center road. We drove like 30 seconds, parked, and walked like 5 minutes to this amazing goodness. Can you imagine? This is just... looks like something you would have to walk 2 hours to discover. What a hidden gem. That is absolutely gorgeous. Beauty, nature's beauty. Can you listen? God, you can just come here, sit down in this lovely sits behind here, enjoy the view, listen to the waterfall, look at the waterfall, and then have your lunch. Amazing! I'm moving to Pitlochry. I love it here. I love it. It's stunning. Wow, it's so beautiful. There's so many views. I just can't. It's amazing. Wow. Let me just... Sorry.
All the time.
Oh, you've been rejected. Oh. Look at the woods. Look at that. You need to get the 360 of this gorgeous goodness. 360 degrees, and there's the waterfall. It's just amazing. Amazing.
Oh my goodness.
it remembers.
Yeah.
And what exactly does it remember?
Well, it remembers about your past.
Oh, okay. That's good. Ooh, a lovely playground. Here I go. And she hops away. I see you. Oh, Jamin, not again. Jamin is going to our favorite place. You know where, right?
Yep.
We always find Jamin in a park. If you're looking for her, she is on a spider thing. Yeah, darling.
Okay. I need to go to Australia.
Yeah, this one's for Pitlochry, Jamin, at the top of the spider. Hiya! I love your hat and your pom-pom jumper. Just see them coming, okay? I'm tired, but I'm coming. Right, this is called Faskally Forest or Faskally Wood. We just stopped here. It's a bit drizzling, but we just said let's see this. It's also a very nice nature reserve. We will not stay too long because it's wet, but it's not too cold. Yeah, let's see what Faskally has for us. It's really wooded. It looks like an enchanted forest. Look at that. Then there's a little loch here. There are different views of this loch, but this is a smaller part of it. If the weather was better, but yeah, you can have a walk around the loch and you could have a picnic. There's a lot of picnic tables everywhere littered around near the car park, so people come and have their lunch or snack and enjoy the view. Look at this really gorgeous place. Looks like a painting, an oil painting. Doesn't look like real life at all. But it is real life. If you dare to go and look for it, it's out there. The beauty of nature around us. One last time I'll show you. What if I just climb everything and it breaks and I fall in? Will you guys come and save me? Jaden. That's the picnic area. And then this is a shortcut. I want to see if we can get any tiny fishes with our little net. That'll be good. We may not get because the net is not quite long enough.
Jaden, your turn.
See, with fishing, you have to be patient. Sometimes you just need to keep your net and then they'll probably swim towards it. Phil, did you see any fishes? Jessica said she saw. We're going to go to the Explorer's Garden, but it's shut due to the coronavirus. It's such a beautiful place to have visited. But then as I was driving, I saw this. Look at that lovely view from this bridge. I just pulled over in a safe place, obviously, and I wanted to show you guys this view. Look at this. I'm just gonna turn to the other side of the bridge. Look at that's the second side. It's fantastic. Like anywhere you go in Pitlochry is amazing. You can't go wrong. It doesn't matter where you stay, even if it's just in a small bed and breakfast or in a Airbnb or a caravan park. Look at over there, there's a caravan park. It's not there's a caravan park or a tent. You can get lovely views or nature all around you. Gorgeous, especially in autumn. I'm glad we came at autumn. Yeah, so this is going to be the end of my vlog. for Pitlochry. We're headed home now. It's been a fun ride. If you've enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Till next time, keep living, loving, laughing, and exploring. Bye.